Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, Jamaica's electricity grid has returned to normal after an island-wide outage on Friday night.
The Jamaica Public Service Company says the situation was caused by severe weather and technical faults.
Now, the blackout occurred just after 9 p.m. on June 5, following multiple faults on key transmission lines in the corporate area.
This was outlined in the JPS's 38-page preliminary report submitted to Energy Minister Daryl Vars.
Details in this report.
JPS says heavy rain and lightning activity caused 2 faults on the Hunts Bay to Rockfort transmission line, along with a separate fault on another line linking Hunts Bay and the Port Authority. The company says this triggered a chain reaction across the network. Protective systems cut power at several substations, but a possible delay or failure in part of the protection system allowed the disturbance to escalate. The report notes that several generating units then went offline in quick succession, creating a major imbalance between electricity supply and demand. This led to a complete shutdown of the grid and an all-island blackout. JPS says restoration began shortly after using a phased approach. Power was first restored in sections of the western and central regions before being extended across the island. However, a further setback just before midnight caused another loss of power in some areas during the restoration process. The company says full service was eventually restored by about 6:34 Saturday morning. JPS adds that early findings point to lightning and transmission line damage as major contributing factors, along with possible issues in one protective system. The utility says investigations are continuing and a final report will be submitted to the Office of Utilities Regulation.